Welcome to WebStarters. In this video, we will make font resizer for website. Users will be able to increase or decrease the font size easily. All the text on web page will grow or shrink proportionally in size, like this. It's kind of a utility for accessibility to improve website user experience. Plus and minus icons can be added on the left and right of this input to make it more robust. But anyways, let's build it. Okay, so here's our HTML. It's got heading, paragraph, label, input, then div, then more headings, H2, H3, and then paragraph. This input is important. This will be our control. Input with type number. It's got an ID, unique ID identifier. Its value is 1. Minimum, maximum, limit has been assigned to it. It will increase or decrease by this value, 0.1. Right now it looks like this and it does nothing. So in this CSS, we will define font size for the page, root font size, 100% at root level. Then in the body, we are using this var root font size. We're accessing value of this variable from root in the body. So body is using that font size variable value from the CSS root. And then we have some other styles for aesthetics. H1, H2, H3, just margin. For paragraph, just margin. Input type number, margin, font size, padding, width, container. Just for the aesthetics. Everything is this. It does nothing right now. Just looks better a little bit. Okay, so now all the magic will happen in the JavaScript. So inside JavaScript, we've got this input with ID font size control. Inside JavaScript, const font size input document.getElement by ID font size control. Get the font size control input, and then we'll create a function with the name update font size that will have font size multiplier, font size input dot value from this value, not the display but the value, this value. Okay, get the value, then multiply it by 100 because font size is 100%. We are taking the updated value for this input and multiplying it by 100. And then we are using style.setProperty method to update font size to this value that we have calculated here. So once again, this is a function that will be updating font size. In the root, it takes value from the input and it uses 100 from CSS root and multiplies that with the input value. Then it uses style.setProperty method to change root font size value. And then we will initialize this function. Here, we'll call that function. And now we'll add an event listener to that input. When this input will be changed, this function will be triggered. This function will be triggered. That will do all this and update root font size. That is being reflected in body. So this will update font size whenever the input value changes. And it is working now. It won't go below 1. And now font size for all elements on page changes on changing input value. And this is how you can make font size adjustment utility for your website. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.